Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy, what's today? Wednesday? Excuse me, damn it. Everyone, whenever the camera's on, like, dude, I should just retake it, but I'm not gonna. Doing some pie iron cooking. I've got some beef and cheddar melts I'm gonna make because it just sounded freaking delicious. So let's get you to turn down to the what I'm working on, and we'll get cooking because I'm getting hungry. I haven't had lunch yet. All right, so I got some probably too much butter in here, but you know, whatever. I already warmed these in the fire. I did it this way because I put the butter in the cooler. So, let's see. I made these before, so I ended up having to trim off. There we go. I'm using these Stone Fire naan breads. I used them before and they were fantastic. And I literally went to the deli and I got everything I needed. I've got some cheddar cheese, and I've got badger or beaver, excuse me, extra hot horseradish. Horseradish and beef are just phenomenal together. And I've got some, this is actually London broil. About a half a pound. So I asked for like a set amount of slices, and she's like, actually I think I asked for about a half pound. I forget now. Just to make sure I can close this once I get all the meat in here. See if, well, I might have to, let's see if I can actually shut this. Bit of a tight squeeze. Maybe too tight. I can only get it clicked on there. There you go. Let's get that sucker in the fire. Almost forgot to hit record. Sweet. These are gonna be good. Can't look. I'm actually looking forward to this. A little bit of a close up there. The bread will probably get burnt, but not much I can do about it. Alright. Hasn't been on very long, but the fire is throwing off a lot of heat. Oh, I think it's done. Look at that. Sweet. Let's get this sucker, pardon the camera movement. I don't want you guys to miss any of this. I'm using the container as an improvised plate. Oh man, look at that. Oh dude, that looks good. I love beef and set those down. Bread's a little dark, but no big deal. Just get rid of it. Look at that. Nicely browned. Yeah, let's oh man, that smells good. Wow. Man, that's really good. Get the flavor of the London broil or beef. And you got the cheese. Horseradish making its presence. Oh yeah. That is pure wind. Oh, I'm gonna eat this and I'll bring it back when I make the second one. Alright. Got sandwich number 2 going. Basically the exact same order as number 1, so I couldn't see filming it a second time. It was phenomenal. I got it down in the coals, let my fire die down. So, yeah, looking forward to this one too. Alright, see how this guy's looking. I went ahead and flipped it over once. Oh yeah, I'm calling that done because I want to eat this one too. Come on out. Oh man, those are perfectly browned. Look at that. And hot. Woo. Oh, you can't see that. Sorry. Look at that. Nice and brown. Both sides. Hot. Ooh. Let that cool down a minute. Alright, even though it's only been a few minutes. Oh man. And that's good. So, as I said, these are just a stone fire, non-bread. And you get 2, it's a 4-pack, so, you know, so you get 2 sandwiches out of it. And they're on sale for 2 for $5, so $2.50. Oh. There you go.